Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wayseekers Tarot. This is artwork by NDR, written by Anna, and please forgive me with this pronunciation, Jedrziewski. I know I butchered it, I'm so sorry. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much for sending this deck our way. I am very excited to see this. This looks beautiful. Retailing for $23.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Okay, let's get into it. Wayseekers Tarot artfully pays homage to classic tarot traditions, including the simplicity of Marseille and the rich symbolism of Smith Waite. Powerful figures in the majors and the court cards take their inspiration from Greco-Roman mythology and offer bold new perspectives for the Wayseeker. Each hand-drawn illustration in the 78 card deck is enlivened with with jewel tone color accents. The 60-page booklet offers tarot seekers profound guidance with both traditional associations and applied interpretations for each card. Okay, and I love this here because it looks like the minors will be a Pip style or a Marseille style arcana, which is totally fine. Some people prefer it that way. Ooh, that back. How fun. I'm quite excited about the art style here. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the guidebook. NDR has brought the full force of ancient Greco-Roman patriarchal mythology to his tarot rendering and combined it with the dynamism and bold perspective of modern graphic novels. He has, however, also created these powerful illustrations through a decidedly intuitive and nurturing filter. The result is a unique deck that brings one up short over and over again as we connect with images on the cards. The simple pale backgrounds of the Wayseekers Tarot indicate the blank field through which the artist called to his illustrations and let them take shape. The mix and match of symbolism, the sometimes intense emotion in the faces, and the bold colors that elevate the traditionally based renderings to a new consciousness level all contribute to making the Wayseekers Tarot a deck that holds secrets that only become apparent with repeated use. And then it goes on to talk about more about the imagery here. If you would like to pause to read that, you totally can. All right. Then there's the rest. Okay, the major arcana, and then it goes into the minor arcana. Awesome. And we do have a spread. It looks like the generator spread. Very cool. There it looks like that. Awesome. Okay, let's get into the cards here. I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. Okay, there's the back. That's really pretty. It is a gloss. I wouldn't call it a high gloss, but it's there. And the cardstock feels good. Very flexible, but snaps back. It is like right in that sweet spot of not too thin, but it's not so thick that it's going to be atrocious to try to shuffle. And it's a smaller size deck too, which is nice for those of us who have smaller hands or, you know, sometimes dexterity issues. So that's nice to see. And here we go. This is beautiful art. We have the banner with the number and the title down below. That little baby there. Oh, so cute. Ooh. And the very limited color palette too is very cool. Gorgeous. I like that it's meant to look a little worn or old. Definitely fitting in with that ancient kind of style there. Wow. Oh, that's interesting. I like the push and pull. Power instead of strength. The wheel being kind of like a gear there. Oh. I don't know if you can tell through the lens, but it looks like, you know, when someone's drawing with ballpoint pen or something, I love that you can see the cross hatching and the strokes. I think that's so cool. Oh, an interesting death card. Ooh. Oh, that's fun. All right, that's the major. Let's get into the minors. We start with the wands. Oh, I like this. Nice, okay. Fantastic way to start off the minors. So it's, you know, I would consider it a pip deck, meaning you have mostly symbols here, but it's done in a way that makes complete sense. If you are a beginner, you'll pick up on those intuitive hits. It's a great rendition of the symbols being in action or creating a scene for you. Awesome. Okay. The horse on the shield. Nice touch. Cool. All right. Cups is next. The fourth one in the cloud there. Awesome. Even the borders around the art makes sense. I'm really enjoying this. Question mark. Ah, that's so cool. Swords. Oh, I like that. Very creative. I love that. And pentacles. Yeah, this is a fantastic way to do like a hip style deck. Creative, fun, straight to the point. Well, I'm really happy with this. I think it's stunning. It's a different type of art style. It's very, I kind of speechless. Really, really enjoy it. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Nice. Ooh, yeah, that's smooth. And this way, yeah, I don't have an issue. I really like the size. I think it's great. Like I said, for anyone with smaller hands, it's going to be very nice. We're going to read for the Hermit. Okay. Having chosen truth over illusion, the seeker brings the journey up the mountain at night. Holding the lamp out in front to illuminate the way, the seeker comes to realize that he/she is holding the lamp for those who come behind. It is then that the seeker recognizes the point of light on the path that lies ahead. So, traditional associations. Relying upon your own judgment, caution, when the student is ready, the teacher will come. And applied interpretation. When you realize that you have been serving fear instead of love, you can look beyond yourself and understand that service is the only road to enlightenment. All right. I just want to see. Okay, so we get for the minors, we get just the traditional associations and the interpretation here. So it's a little bit smaller of, I'll say a definition or a meaning there, but not a bad thing. If anytime you need like a little bit more information, Tarot Reference Book will help you out fantastically. So there's that if you feel like you need a little bit more, but for that, I'm not mad at this at all. So I am pleasantly surprised. I really enjoy this art style. I like the theming of it. I think that's great. It just flows throughout the deck. I really like that. I think that the minimalism with the color is another great touch. It's not too harsh. It's not super vibrant, and it's not boring. Sometimes there can be, you know, when it comes down to minimal colors, you can lose a little bit of interest because your eyes kind of blur it all together. But with this, I really like it. I think that it's definitely one of those decks that is an outlier, if that makes sense. Definitely really cool. I'm impressed. I can't wait to get to know it better. I would now love to know what you guys think. Is this a deck that you have in your possession already? Is it one that you've been thinking about? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comments. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this our way. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.